Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. This is the last sub-series on the ASP.NET and data, and in this sub-series we are going to look into ASP.NET ListView Control. In this first part of this sub-series, you will get introduced to the ListView Control. In the last sub-series, we learned about data list control, which is template driven, right? Now we will learn ASP.NET's ListView control. So this sub-series is to learn ListView control of ASP.NET. ListView control in ASP.NET is a most flexible control. That means it is completely template driven. That means you can define all the template, and it is more flexible. That means it provides some nice layout options so that you can decide how the control or how the data presentation should look. This control can be completely template driven, as already told, and it has some specialized layout templates so that you can decide the layout of the data presentation. Using this control, we can insert, delete, and edit data by custom-made templates. In this sub-series, we will learn about ListView control and its template. We will start with layout as well as item template. So this layout template is the one which will decide how we want to set the structure for the data. Then item template you already know. This is the data part, and using this template you can define the data, and using the layout you can define where you want to present this item. There is no demo in here. From next video onwards, let's start the example. Thank you for watching. Bye.